When Huggies challenged me on my choice of diaper, I said, ho jai. Let's dip. No way, everything's soaked up. Is this for real? That's why we're making the switch. What about you?
Like Sonam, 9 out of 10 moms recommend Huggies for newborns.
Former senior Meghalaya BJP leader H M Shangpliang today joined the ruling National People's Party (NPP) at a function held at the state headquarter of the NPP in the city in presence of NPP National President and State Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Prestone Tynsong besides a host of senior leaders of the party. H M Shangpliang had quit primary membership of the BJP recently alleging nepotism indulged in by the state BJP President Ernest Mori, who denied the allegation as baseless.
Pak Prestone, request Pak Sangma to hand over the tablet. Pak Sangma to hand over the constitution. The constitution. The National President to kindly hand over the tablet to Pak H M Shangpliang. Yes, give a big hand. Thank you, sir. Thank you. I request our youth Women's Wing to kindly search all the supporters who has joined NPP today, who come along with Pak Shangpliang. So please search them to show that we